Let's get ready for IELTS Speaking Part 2, where you have to speak for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. You might be asked to describe a place. Let's watch the scene. And jot down some new words to help you learn vocabulary. Rita is at the park. It's a pleasant afternoon, and Rita has decided to take a break from her university studies. She walks to a nearby park to unwind. The trees are green, the flowers are pretty, and the birds are singing. Rita thinks to herself, I really needed this. The fresh air, the sound of the birds, the gentle breeze, it all helps me clear my mind. Rita finds a quiet spot under a large tree. She takes out her notebook and begins to write. Rita's friend, Amy, comes over.
Hey Rita, what are you doing?
Hi, Amy. I'm just relaxing at the park. It's so peaceful here.
Yes, the flowers are beautiful and the weather is perfect. Are you writing something?
Yeah, just journaling a bit. I like to reflect on my week when I'm surrounded by nature.
That's such a great idea. I usually just scroll through my phone when I have free time. But honestly, this seems way more relaxing.
It is. Being here helps me slow down. The city gets so noisy and crowded, this park feels like a little escape.
I know what you mean. I used to come here with my cousins when we were kids. We'd run around the playground and feed the ducks.
That sounds lovely. Now I come here when I need to study or when I just want to take a moment for myself.
You're inspiring me to bring a book next time. Maybe we can have a quiet reading session together sometime?
I'd love that. They sit together, quietly enjoying the peaceful atmosphere of the park. Surrounded by trees, laughter in the distance, and the soft rustle of the wind. Let's review. Now take a closer look at the words and expressions we can use to describe a park. This will help you when you talk about a special place in the IELTS speaking test. You may be asked to describe a park or outdoor place you enjoy. Here are some useful words and phrases from Rita and Amy's conversation. Peaceful, a quiet spot surrounded by trees, gentle breeze, green space, escape the noise, reflect, and unwind. Now read the requirement and pause the video for 1 minute to think. Describe a park or outdoor place you enjoy spending time in. You should say where the place is, what it looks like, what you do there, and explain why you enjoy going there. Model IELTS response. I'd like to talk about a park I often visit called Greenwood Park. It's located just a short walk from my university campus, and it's one of the most peaceful spots in the city. The park is quite spacious with a wide green lawn, tall shady trees and a small lake in the centre where ducks and swans gather. There's also a well-maintained walking path that circles the lake, which many people use for jogging or cycling. Whenever I feel stressed or overwhelmed by assignments, I go there to take a break. I usually bring a book, or sometimes my journal, and sit on one of the benches under a tree. The calm environment helps me to think more clearly and recharge my energy. On weekends, I sometimes meet friends there, and we have quiet conversations or even small picnics if the weather is nice. What I like most about the park is how it contrasts with the busy city around it. It's a place where I can slow down, breathe, and feel more balanced. The natural scenery and the sound of birds help me feel connected to the present moment. In fact, visiting this park has become a very important part of my weekly routine. Let's use these ideas and learn how to build a great answer for this common IELTS Speaking Part 2 topic. Leave a comment below and tell us if it's helpful. See you next time!